Definitely.
Meteorologist Mike Nelson's in with a look at your weekend.
We'll be able to see this weekend.
Yeah?
That's
Some
fabulous.
great news about the visibility
good.
improving over the course of the
Terrific.
weekend. Yeah, but for this evening, it's going to stay hazy and smoky out there. But if you're heading out to the old ballpark for the Cardinals against the Rockies, it's going to be a really warm night out there. Just hazy skies, 83 at 7 o'clock, 75 by 9 p.m., and at 70 degrees by 11 o'clock tonight. Now let's talk about that smoke and haze. This is the map that comes in from the Earth Systems Research Lab up in Boulder, and this is their smoke forecast. So that's what it looked like 6 a.m. this morning. The heavy smoke indicated by the orange and the green and the yellow. This is what it's forecast to be 6 o'clock tonight. So very heavy smoke right along the Front Range. Much better over western Colorado and in Utah. By tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., the plume of smoke is thinning out a little bit. And by late tomorrow at 6 p.m., look at that, much clearer air expected. So we will get bluer skies coming in over the course of the weekend. 89 the high temperature, 61 the low. Records are 98 and 40. 86 is the normal high temperature. Right now in Denver, it's a hazy 87 downtown, 88 degrees out at the airport, 14% humidity, pressure falling slightly, winds out of the east at 14. So the haze and smoke still coming in for right now, but there's moisture down here to the south, and some of that's going to start to work its way into Colorado over the weekend. I think it mostly is going to be in the form of just isolated mountain storms. For tonight, the haze and smoke continue across much of the state. 60 in Denver, 62 at Akron. We'll see 40s up into the mountains, and Front Range numbers by early tomorrow morning, very comfortable in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, 40s expected in the mountains. Smoke and haze tomorrow in the morning, but that's going to gradually work its way farther to the east as the day goes on. There are some isolated storms coming in, but mostly in the mountains, not very strong. And on the plains, a 10% chance of picking up a shower or thunderstorm from Denver out across northeast Colorado. Hot tomorrow, 92 in Denver and Greeley, 90 at Fort Collins. In the mountains, most of the readings are going to be in the 70s to near 80 degrees. Should be a very pleasant night or day tomorrow to be up in the high country. And we are getting a lot of reports of early aspen gold to be found up there. So hazy and mild tonight with 60 for a low temperature. For tomorrow, it's still hazy, but it gets better as the day goes on. 92 for a high temperature. Looking ahead in the extended forecast, the temperatures are going to be hot again Sunday with mainly sunny skies, isolated storms in the afternoon, 90 degrees. 88 by Monday. By the time we get to Tuesday, a little cooler with some scattered showers and storms. And next week looks pretty nice with temperatures in the middle 80s and mostly sunny skies.